Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can do if you don't have bees in your garden and you need the pollinated mutation. So you are going to join admin abuses before updates, like an hour before every update. As you can see right now, there is a bee native weather. So basically, if the admin gives you the bee native weather, it can give your crops, your fruits, whatever it is, the pollinated mutation. Obviously, it's not going to hit a lot of the plants as often as the pet, but I think you can still get the chance of like purchasing from the bee traveling merchant by just joining and getting the bee native weather. So that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.